Lunchtime at the Krusty Krabs. Everyone enjoying their Krabby Patties. What's this?
The National Weather Service in Hometown has issued a tornado warning for the following areas: Hometown, Home University, Blurville, and Davie. Until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 6:06 p.m., storm chasers spotted a tornado 3 miles west of Blurville, heading east at 20 miles per hour. This storm includes baseball-size hail, winds up to 70 miles per hour, heavy downpours, and lightning. For any more information on this alert, go to weather.com. Again, a tornado warning is in effect until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Now we resume to our feature presentation.
Okay, that's far enough. Huh? Tartar sauce. Have you seen a Krabby Patty? It's about this tall and... Wow! A magic shop! Are you a magician? One time, I saw this magician, and he took this thing, anyway, and then he told us, if you believe in yourself, and with a tiny pinch of magic, all your dreams can come true.
I can't take it!
Plankton, it's you!
Yes, and after all these years, I thought I was the master of torture.